where we're going.
We're going to the grocery store.
I'll tell you why. It's because our class got canceled.
Our cabaret class got canceled.
And so you know what? We're making a cooking show.
Oh yeah?
And today, we're gonna do a special challenge that was recommended in the comments of our last video. So today, we're gonna be baking a cake, except I can't talk, and Paige can't see, and Annika can't hear. It's gonna be so fun. I do have to give credit. My good friend Brittany Broski did this with her siblings, and it was very funny.
That's so fun.
She did. Queen Mother did it. We'll see you at the grocery store, okay?
It's Paige. We'll see you guys at home. I am turning my noise cancellation setting on and 100 gecs on at full volume.
There you are.
I'm so overstimulated. Okay, we have to heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Paige, stop.
Oh, sorry. I forgot I could talk.
I don't know what you're
What's the next step?
Okay, grease bottom only of pan. Okay.
Spray.
Yeah.
I got it.
Now we have to beat the cake mix. Water, melted butter, vanilla, and eggs in a large bowl. Scraping bowl occasionally. Bitch, you don't need this.
We have
Good job, Pidgey.
eggs.
Yes!
Okay.
Hello.
Melted butter. Is it melted? I don't think it's melted.
What are you listening to?
I don't know what you're saying. Can you guys hear my music?
Yes.
Okay.
How much? No.
Is she gonna blow up the house? I'm scared.
I can't see.
What did you do next? Oh, sorry. Yes. Mix water. 3/4 cups water. Leanna's doing that. And then after that, we need 2 teaspoons of good job, Paige. Okay. All right. That's 3.
Hold on. Where's the bowl?
Good job. We need 2 tablespoons of vanilla and 2 eggs. I'm gonna do the eggs because I haven't done anything yet. Decorating. What? Beat them. Paige, you have to whisk. How long does she have to mix for? Right here. Yep. Good job, Paige. Ha, 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 ha. Yeah. Good. Oh. Good job. The way I am so overstimulated right now, I am like. Okay, yeah.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Right here, yep. Wait, can I lick it? Oh, okay. Pour into pan, bake as directed below. Okay, so now.
What's going on?
Okay, we're gonna clean the pan. Should I marry baby? No. It's time to whip cream. Wait. It's time to frosting. It's time to frost the cake. Paige.
What?
Paige, you need to stop eating because you need to talk.
Oh.
Wait, what are you saying? You want her to mix this in with this?
One of you needs
Me
to
and
frost
Leanna
it.
are going to frost the
And then
cake.
decorate.
And Paigey will be decorating.
Okay, what is on my
You
finger?
need to help me.
What is on my
Ooh!
finger? What is on my finger?
I don't know what you're saying.
What is on my finger? This. My thumb. What is it?
Hold on, wait. I
What
can't
is
hear
it?
you guys
No.
too well. Why is she scared? Paige, don't be scared. Flip
Okay.
it.
Tell me what's on my finger. What is?
What's on your fingers? Oh, frosting.
Are you sure?
That's frosting on your fingers. Lick it. Lick it.
I don't know if I want to. Is there like something like going on right now?
Oh yeah, it's your turn. You're gonna decorate the cake. Put this down. Put this down, Paige. Okay, yes, this is it. Right here. Good job, little one.
What would you like me to say?
What? You should draw Leanna's face. Draw Leanna's face. Right. Good job. Yep. Just like that. Oh. Oh, big smile.
For one.
She needs a nose.
I gave her.
Oh, did you already do the nose? Perfect. There's her nose. Pretty hair. That looks just like you. Oh my gosh.
You know, you're messing up my masterpiece.
I'm actually making it
Don't say that.
postmodern.
Oh, okay. Can we just like eat it out of this?
It's nice and fuchsia.
I like the frosting. Otherwise, we would not have been able to pull this off.
I hate to say, this is terrible.
Yeah, it's not very good.
Well,
The cake is mid.
dry.
Yeah.
Awful.
It's
If you guys have
Bye.
any other ideas for challenges that we should do or things that we should make, just let us know, okay? And we'll pull through, okay? We'll see you soon for the holiday season.